You just received your fully assembled Prep and Print Flex Select unit. Let's unbox it and get it ready to print. The documents that are sitting on top will help you link and set up your Prep and Print tablet and printer. For corporate account setups, you'll have an orange sticker on your paperwork. The orange sticker has your username and your password that you'll need to log into the app. On your paperwork is a location code and a validation code. Using these, you will be able to connect up to your corporate account food item list. Retail customers will use the validation code to log into the website. Once you're logged into the website, you need to set up your food item list and then sync that with your app on the tablet. Let's get the printer out and ready to print. The printer comes fully assembled and can be used in a variety of locations in the kitchen. Just be careful not to set it next to a lot of water or heat, as it can damage the printer. The Brother printer comes with a power splitter. The power splitter has 3 parts to it. One part you plug the power brick into, the other part you plug the USB cable for the tablet into. This last part plugs directly into the power slot on the Brother printer itself. Without using the power splitter, you will have error messages on your printer. Let's get a roll of labels out, load them up, and ready to print. Use the green lever on the right to spread open the label compartment. Place the labels in to feed over the top, then close the compartment in on the sides of the label roll. Feed the loose end of the labels under the 2 blue guides and leave a couple of labels sticking out when you close the top. Press the feed button to align the labels. Once the labels are aligned, you're ready to set up the tablet. Wake the tablet if necessary and tap the Flex icon to launch it. You can use the system in landscape or portrait. It's really just a personal preference. When you sign in, the app will update with any new changes that you've made on the website, including food list changes, batches, and default label templates. The app logs out automatically every 12 hours to allow for updates to sync. Now that we're logged in, you'll see 3 printing options: labels, batches, and reprint. There's also setting options at the top with sync, help, and settings. Sync will simply pull any changes to settings, templates, and foods for that location from the website. Settings allows you to set up and configure your printer. Selecting labels will pull from the full food item list sorted alphabetically. There is a search option at the top of the main list. If you know exactly the item you need to print, you can find it easily, or you can tap All Categories in the top left to see a list from the website. Let's find an item and print a label. We'll search for a food item and select one to print. Once you've selected a food item, you will see a print preview of the label, where you can input the quantity and, if prompted, the initials of who prepped the item. Then just hit the print button. Make sure you tear the labels up like it shows you on the printer. If you try to tear the labels down, you could unalign the labels and end up wasting some by needing to press the feed button to realign them. Batches are used to print a series of labels you use every day. A batch would be a group of labels possibly used in morning prep or afternoon prep. The reprint function allows you to recreate a label with the same information for a repanning situation. If you need to repan a prepped item into a smaller container, but you still need to maintain the use-by integrity for that item, it allows you to reprint a label with the original prep time, so it will maintain the proper use-by date. The labels available for reprinting are previously printed labels that are not yet expired. The list only maintains the items that are still in date. If the item goes out of date, it will drop off the list. It's just that simple, easy to use, and very intuitive. We hope you enjoy the new Prep and Print with Flex.